Okay, friend, we continue part 2 to finish AngularJS with the groups. Okay, right now we continue. Okay, and the part 1 we create already how to read, and right now we go to the directory of project hours, and then in the scripts.php right now we create as the file create dot extension dot php in the scripts directory. So right now we create. So right now I don't want to write. I pass here. Okay, you can spend time just to write code by yourself. Okay, and then when we create the create.php already, and this is that we want to use the iset keyword to check the data test. If we has the test, and then there's a require library.php. Yes, you can read the documentation and you try to understand codes one by yourself. Okay, and right now when we create the already, so we go to the InTouch that we want to create the pop-ups. Okay, right now we create the pop-up. Pop-ups. So I close the code here. Add new task. So and I pass the code. You can try or you can copy the model from the WC school, and then we refresh the ID with the new test model, like this. Okay, and this is the title that we use. Okay, you can try by yourself, and this is the footer that we want to, and this is the body. Yeah, content here. Okay, so when we create the already, we create the model content, okay, and model bodies, and this is that we call the error length. Yes, we call the error length as from the script. Right now, when we include the already, so we go to page, and I want to refresh, so we click the test. So the table is show here. Okay, so right now when we add pop-up add new test already, we go to app.js that we want to write code. Yes, create. Okay, right now we add new test. Okay, right now we create the function dot add test, and the function so in the we call http dot push, and so we call the script slash create.php, then we install in the app in the script create.php, and then yes, and then we use the task and scope task. And then if the task that we want to check in the yes, this is the task that we want to check if the has task. Okay, Node.js and it has task. So and then we use the function we okay, and it dot we use the scope dot error we use yes, and the scope dot task dot post. Yeah, when we insert the data already, we want to add record into the task data dot and task. Okay, right now we use the vars and model element angular dot element yes, add new task refer to the pop-up ID add new task model. So we go to the index and I copies and we go to the app.js. Okay, and then model. Okay, and then models element dot model dot hash. And then we use the function error so we add the error to the scope dot errors e dot data and errors. Okay, refer to the when we create the error and so the with the name and the error http response code with the name require and add to test create test. Okay, right now we go to the page and run. Okay, I want to show in the code error unexpected code. So we okay, so we fix the error. Okay, success. Okay, right now we go to pay again. I refresh and the token. Okay, and the task. Yeah, I use the dot to dot. Okay, right now we refresh again. Okay, the code error we configured already. So then I click the add test. For example, iPhone. This is description iPhone. Okay, right now we add the new task and the model function element. Module is another function, so we go to and the module element. Yeah, we configure module element. Module is another function, so we go to the again. Okay, module not function. Okay, we go to the app.js to configure nodes modules. Okay, but the data we insert already. Okay, run. I want to test. Okay, we add click the test. So right now the data to add, but to not show here. Okay, we to configure the data in the grid view. So we go to when you put the data here, not so. Okay, and more to test. Okay, not so. So we to configure. Yeah, go to the app. I want to console dot dot data and dot task. Okay, we want to do the console to refresh. Okay, it's not all. Wow. Okay, undefined test. So right now we go to the library.php and we go to the insert because when JSON decoding as with the test, yes, I use the test like this. Yeah, without s. So if we use the s, yes, in the JS we use the s like this. Okay, but we don't use the s because the one record returns. So we go to library and I replace with the s. Okay, right now I refresh again. Okay, so I want to use the okay the data so yes so look is very good. Okay, when we create the already right now we create the edit pop-up. Yes, so right now we go to and in Dutch so we include the pop-up. Yes, edit pop-up. Or you can copy from the about us. Okay, and we change to the model update and the body here is spend time your code like this. Yes, and then I want to pass goes below and the pen model body the like this. Okay, and this is that we want to change. So when we add the pop-up model all of these, I go to refresh the browser. When we click the edit, that is not so. So we go to the app.js again, and right now we create the pop-ups. Okay, right now we write code to open pop-up. Okay, test to edit. Okay, right now we refresh the page and we click the edit and show the pop-up here. in the data. Okay. And scope.task detail, scope.task means that we want to click the intake with the intake task ID, and the model that we want to call with the model update task ID, and then model.show. Because right now we create the function more to update. Please write by yourself. I don't want to spend time to write anymore. And especially you can try to understand by yourself. And it's the script call from the script update.php. Okay, update.php. Because when we create the function already, and we go to the update.php, yeah, we write the code php. Okay, we write code the php script like this. Okay, try by yourself. And then right now when we update, so we go to the browser and refresh. We want to click the update. For example, when we type the data here, and the data move the row quickly. Okay. So I update, yeah, update information here. So I want to change cells. Okay, right now the data updates already, so we expect to see the code. There is no the error, so we refresh the data. So here update new description, yeah, change. So output very quickly. When we refresh the database, the data updates already. First, and right now we move into the when we click update button. So we go to and we go to the apps. Right now we create the delete Angular JS. Okay, and we write the code here. Just when we click the button delete and alert message that we want to confirm to delete the task. Yes, this is the condition that if we click yes and run code develop here. Because when we create the Angular JS delete already, we go to the delete.php. So right now we write the code. Okay, spend time to write code. Yes. So right now we go to the refresh page, and I want to delete the data when the message confirm here. So I click the OK and then remove the data quickly. Okay, thank you everybody. And this is that we use the CRUD operation using PDO connection with the Angular JS. And this, so right now don't forget like, subscribe, share on my video. Okay, thank you everybody. And there are many lessons that we want to learn how to learn Angular JS basic before we in this lesson. Okay, say goodbye.